Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Kicks key. First, let's gather our simple tools. You will only need one small flathead screwdriver. This tool will help us gently pry open the key fob without causing any damage. Make sure your workspace is clear and bright, as we will be dealing with small components. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and easy process for everyone. Now let's access the hidden mechanical key. On the side of your Nissan Kicks key fob, you will find a small, often recessed, release button. Press and hold this button down with your thumb or finger. While keeping the button pressed, gently pull the metal mechanical key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for manual entry and also reveals the next opening point. With the mechanical key removed, you will see a small notch or slot inside the opening. This is where our flathead screwdriver comes in handy. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be patient and avoid excessive force. Once open, you will see the battery. Most Nissan Kicks fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Note its orientation, then carefully remove the old battery and insert a fresh one, ensuring the positive side faces up. Finally, align the two halves of the fob and gently press them together until they snap shut. Reinsert the mechanical key and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.